Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So this is your subject teacher of science from LPM Public School situated at Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear student, in this video we are going to discuss about our new chapter number 13, measuring things from your science book. So without wasting your time, take out your science book and your pencil eraser along with you. So students, we are going to discuss about the need to measure things, measuring things in olden times and measuring things in today's time by the help of this chapter. So, after the explanation of this chapter, you will be able to understand why measurement is important in our daily life and learn about standard units of measurement. So, students, before starting the explanation of this chapter, I want to tell a story related to this topic. Would you like to listen the story? I knew it. You will like to listen story. So listen carefully everyone. One Sunday, Alicia decided to make or to bake a cake. I want to make the tastiest cake ever, Alicia exclaimed. She mixed 1 cup each of flour, sugar, baking powder, and butter. Her mom smiled and said, Alicia, we need to measure our ingredients correctly. Let me help you. So, students, Alicia is baking a cake and she started to mix 1 cup of flour, some sugar, and baking powder and butter. But her mom smiled and said that we need to measure our ingredients correctly, and her mother started to help her. Alisa was puzzled. Why did it matter? Mom explained that measuring the ingredients carefully helped the cake rise and be fluffy. So students, do you like fluffy cakes? With a measuring cup in hand, Alicia learned that the secret to a great cake and is all about the right measurement. So have you understood it? So measurement is very important in our daily life. Okay? Now let's start with get set action. Section. Look at the picture and write the correct option in the box. So students, here some pictures are given. You have to write the correct option in the box. So in first picture, you can see that a giraffe is taller than a cat. So in first box, you will write tall, and in second you will write short, because the height of giraffe is tall and the height of cat is small or short. So you will write here short. So here we are comparing the height of giraffe and cat. Similarly, in next picture, first object is heavier. So you will write heavy, and the second object is light. So you will write light in the second box. Here we are comparing object
which is heavier and which is lighter. Okay? Now our first topic, need to measure things. Have you ever noticed what a fruit seller does when you go to buy some fruits? They measure the weight of the fruits using a weighing balance. So, students, measurement is an important part of our day to day lives. For example, when we go to buy clothes, we measure our size according to our height, chest, and waist. The milkman also measures the milk when we buy it. The action of measuring the amount, duration, and size of something is called measurement. Now, measuring things in olden times. In earlier times, people used to measure things by comparing them with their body parts. Measures such as handspan, cubit, footspan, and stride were used in olden times. So, my dear students, in ancient time or earlier times, when people used to measure things by comparing them with the help of their body parts like their hand, their foot. So that time the measurement can be done by using handspan, cubit, foot, and stride. Handspan, it was the unit measured by the length of the palm. Cubit, it was the unit measured by the length of arm up to the elbow. Look at the given picture. Foot, it was a unit measured by the length of the foot. In stride, it was measured by the distance covered by a single step of a person. So that time this was used as measurement. But body parts of different people have different sizes. So these unit can give different measurement for the same things. So in that time, this make difficulty for correct measurement. Can you think of a situation where incorrect measurement could cause a problem? Yes, if a tailor measures cloth incorrectly, the cloths may not fit properly. If a chef adds the wrong amount of the ingredients, the food may not be taste good. In construction, incorrect measurement can make building unsafe. So this was the disadvantage of incorrect measurement. That's it for today. In our next video, we will discuss about the measuring units in today's time. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, do practice. Thank you, students.